LeetCode-1189 maximum number of balloons. So let's understand the question first. So there's a string given, and we have to use the characters of text form as many instances of the word balloon as possible. Okay, and we can use each character in text at most once. This is the condition, and we have to return the maximum number of instances that can be formed using the given text, right? That means we have to match the instances that can be formed from text given to the balloon word. Okay. There are three examples given here. Let's understand it first. So this is just text given. Okay. And if we say that one word can be formed that matches to balloon. Okay. So there is only one instance here. Here, two instances can be formed from this text together, which matches to balloon. Okay. And the constraints given are the length will go up to 10 raised to 4, right? And text consists of lowercase English letters only. So this problem can be solved using two to three approaches. Like first one, we can solve it using hash maps. Then we can solve it using frequency array, right? Character frequency array. So here I'll solve using both approaches. Okay, and we will solve it using hash maps. Okay. So first we will declare one variable intent, okay, which will store the length of text. Okay. Then we declare hash map of character and its frequency, integer is a type, then map is equal to new hash map. Okay. Then what we will do, we will iterate over the text loop. Okay. Less than n, then I plus plus. Okay. But we can just use for each loop, but here I use it. Okay. So you know that map dot output. Okay, then now the staticfix dot char at I. Okay, comma map dot get or default is a shortcut, right? You know, get or default char at I, comma 0, and then we will increment by 1. Okay, this is given. Now what we will do? Now we are storing the frequency of each character in balloon. Okay, just the case that when we uh, find out the frequency of L now, so we have to divide it by 2, right? Then O for O as well. Right. Then N because all characters occurs only one time, right? And just L and O occurs two times in balloon. So if we are finding the minimum among them, then if L occurs two times or two or more times, then only the second balloon instance can be found, right? So that's why we are dividing it by two. Okay. So now we will return the minimum among them. So mean B comma mean. Okay. A comma mean B then L I that mean two comma okay. So B with minimum of this A and mean of L comma mean first the O. First, it will calculate the minimum among O and N. Then it will calculate the minimum among this and this, L and this. Then it will calculate the minimum among A and minimum of this, right? And then it will calculate minimum of this and this. It will return the final answer. We have to write this base case because if one of the character in balloon is not present in hash map, then we will return 0 because the instance cannot be formed, right? That's why. Now let's run it again, and now finally submit it. Okay, done. Then also it can be solved using frequency array. We just have what we have to do now. We just have to declare one frequency array, and then here we are putting the frequency, right? So in frequency array we have to substitute the frequency of each character, right, in text. Okay, and then we will retrieve it by using this, and okay, we will retrieve it using the character position, right, in frequency array, and then we will return minimum among them. Okay, thank you.